To stop the iPadOS update prompt or remove a downloaded iPadOS version from your iPad, follow this tutorial. The new iPadOS update may already be downloaded and showing under Software Update. To remove it completely, go back to General and then open iPad Storage. Scroll down and look for the downloaded iPadOS version. Here, you can see my iPadOS 26.2.1 software update. Tap Delete Update. Then tap Delete Update again on the confirmation pop-up. You can always re-download this update later from Software Update if you decide to install it. Now your iPad will no longer show the install alert on the screen. To stop automatic downloads and installations of new software updates, go to Software Update under General. Tap Automatic Updates and turn off both Automatically Install and Automatically Download. Keep the Automatically Install option disabled to prevent new updates from installing on their own without you choosing to update. That's everything you need to know about stopping automatic updates, preventing installation prompts, and deleting old downloaded software updates on your iPad. Please like to support me, and if you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for new video updates.